Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding resultant force. Look at this example. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant of the following system of forces. Here, the force diagram is given. Now, resolving the forces, solving the forces horizontally. That means sigma h. Here, the first force is 100 Newton cos 45, 100 cos 45 plus 80, 80 Newton, 45 plus 25 is 70. Okay, then 80, 80 cos 70 plus this is this 45 degree is there, here also 45, that is 90 plus 45 is 135. This is 135, 120, 120 cos 135 plus 180 plus 60, that is 240, 240 degree, 130, 130 cos 240 and the last this 90, 90 Newton is here 360 minus 60, that is 300. That is this full degree is 300. Therefore, 90 300 plus 90 cos 300. Let us solve this. Sigma h equal, first is cos 45 into 100, 70.71 plus cos 70, cos 70 into 80 equal 2736.36 plus cos 135, cos 135 into 120, it become minus 84.85 and cos 300, cos 300 into 0.5 into 90 equal plus 45. Now add them. 70.71 plus 27.36 plus, that is minus 84.85, 84.85 plus 45. Here totally 1 2 3 4 5 forces, 1 2 3 4 5 equal 58.22 Newton. Now similarly, resolving the forces vertically, then sigma V equal the same forces with sine, that is 100 sine 45 plus 80 sine 70 plus 120 sine 135 plus 130 sine 240 plus 90 sine 300. Okay, let us calculate first. Here sine 45 into 100 equal 70.71 plus sine 70 sine 70 into 80 equal 75.175 75.18 and sine 135 120 sine 135 sine 135 into 120 equal 84.85 240 sine 240 sine 240 into 130 equal minus 112.58 minus 112.58 and sine 300 into sine 300 into 90 equal 77.94 minus 77.94. Now let us add them. 70.71 70.71 plus 85.18 75.18 75.18 plus 84.85 84.85 minus 112.58 minus 77.94 77.94 equal 40.22. Now resultant is resultant force suppose R equal square root of sigma h the square plus sigma v the square, which is equal sigma h is 58.22 the square plus sigma v is 40.22 the square. We'll calculate this. 58.22 58.22 square plus 40.22 40.22 square equal 5007.2168 68, then square root is therefore R equal 70.76 Newton. Now the angle, but angle the mag and the result for direction of the resultant force. Direction, that is tan theta equal sigma v by sigma h. Sigma v is 40.20. Sigma v is 70.76 over 40.22. 40.22. First of all, calculate this one. 70 point, not resultant, this one, sorry. Sigma v is 40, sigma h is 58.22, 58.22, sigma v is 40.22. Now let us calculate this. 40.22 divide 58.22, 58.22, 58.22 equal 0.6908. Therefore theta equal tan inverse 6908 gives equal 36.64 degrees to the horizontal. Now it is in, both are positive, it is in first quadrant, therefore the direction theta equal 36.64 degrees. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.